Hey, hello hackers. Welcome to the Hacker Show, and you are watching Hacker Associate broadcast. In this video series, we are going to focus on Automated SSRF Scanner Pro, and in this section, I'm going to teach you how to set up this particular framework called Automated SSRF Scanner Pro. So first, you need to fill okay your detail here, and then when you simply go to the next, you will be getting okay like this particular framework okay directly to your email, right? So once you make a registration, automatically you will receive the email. That email okay, you will see one jar file like this. So in my case, you can see clearly this is a jar file which I downloaded okay from the email. So once you download okay the jar file, you need to start okay your Burp professional version. This tool work very well with the Burp professional version. Don't use community edition for this. Also, you need to check okay your version. So maybe if you're not using this version, okay, this maybe give you error. Okay, so make sure okay you are using Burp Suite Professional 2024.11.2. So when I go to the next area, when I go to the start Burp, first start this particular framework. Okay, and also maybe if you check your email, you will be also getting okay the complete lab manual how to use this particular framework step by step. So also you can check the PDF. Okay, once you basically register with us. So now in this case, okay, you can see this is the Burp professional version, and you can see license to Hacker Associate. You need to go to the extension, but before just I'm adding this particular framework like Automated SSRF Scanner Pro to this. I want to give you some resources. You can also join it. So first you can navigate okay to hackerassociate.com website, and if you are new to the things, if you are new to the channel, you can subscribe to this channel. Okay, so this is our YouTube, this is Twitter, this is Discord, this is LinkedIn, and many more. Okay, so here okay you can message me directly if you have any issues. Also, you can also follow our page where 112k plus people have joined our community. This is our Hacker Associate page, and you will be getting all update okay to your inbox. So if you are on Twitter, you can follow this community called Offensive Hacking Black Hat. Okay, so we are everywhere. You can please join the things. This community is completely free, specifically created okay for you to help okay people okay to master the cyber security. Okay, now coming to the point. So once you download it, you have a jar file that we understood. Now next part is we can simply go to the add area like this. We can select the Java part and select the file from here where it is. In my case, it is a desktop. So I'll go and check the desktop, and under the desktop I have file called automated. So I'll just select like this. You need to look for the jar file. So this is the jar file. This is zip file. Okay, so on your email, okay, you're going to receive the zip. You need to extract it, and then okay, you will see this jar file. You need to select it and you can open from here. Okay, in my case, I have already done it. Okay, here you can see it clearly. If you just go this side, this is my scanner. When you click it here, advanced SSRF blind scanner, make sure okay you'll not get an error. If you are getting any error, you can directly connect to me okay over my Hacker Associate broadcast channel. You can send a screenshot and you can let me know. I'll help you out freely. Okay, no need to worry on any of the area. Now when you go to the output area, you can see it is loaded, and okay it is validated. So I created okay the board. This is my subdomain, so automatically is going to check everything for you and automatically going to display the logging okay everything under this particular framework. Okay, here you will get all the logging, all your scanning report okay will be coming under this panel. That's how I created okay this particular framework. This is amazing framework. I will give you a demo okay in our next video, okay, because I'm going to record a lot of videos on this, so you'll get an idea how to use this tool effectively. Thank you for watching the video. Don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to join our community. Okay, and if any issues, I'm always available. Thank you so much for your support. Have a great day and see you in the live session.